Hello, welcome to this video. This video is intended to be a free video. Whenever you're watching it, it's meant to be a free video. If you need support, I'll help you set this up. Find me. I'm Sherifa Nakalema in Virginia, USA. Very passionate about teaching you all about school and other ways to make money online, passive income, work from home. Those are my intentions. But this one is intended to be a free video. And I'm going to show you, see what you see on the screen? That's what's called a freemium. Means free, but premium also in the same word. I don't know, they came up with that term. And it means that you have a community on Skool that starts off free, but then inside you get to pay for some things. So like you're about to see. Now, when a community is premium, the way we're about to set it up, the people who see it on the outside, they see it as free. They don't see all this. They'll see this only if they're trying to access whatever you put your money on. That's when they ask them to, okay, you need to upgrade to premium or to VIP to access this. But on the outside, it looks like a free community. Okay, so let me show you how you set it up. This is what it will look like. The prices will be different. I have a different example. This is my real community. It's a real, my free community. See, let me show you what it looks like on the outside. So when someone comes, they will see it as, see, free. Free. And when they're joining, actually, all they need is for someone to approve them to join. They don't know that inside there is some pricing. So that's the kind we are setting up. Okay, but I'm going to set it up in my other community, which is right now actually on a different level. I use it for training, this one. Right now it's set at one per month, but it's on a tiers, the tiers. Today we're not talking tiers, we're talking premium. Okay, so this is how you set it up. I have an example where I'll set up if a member is free, or another member is on premium, or another one is on VIP, 3 levels. So find the settings for your community. This is advised to be, even the CEO was talking about it, I think. When you're setting up things like this, you want to be on a laptop or desktop, not your phone. These things work better when you're on a wider screen, the way you see me here. So find the settings and find pricing. Settings, pricing. So when you go to pricing, you see that there are 5 models. There's a free community with nothing else. Then there's a subscription community. There's the freemium community. There's the tiers community and the one time. So the one that we're changing right now, just for this training, is the tiers, like I showed you. I put like $1 on it, $1 a month, but you're about to set up freemium right here. So this freemium they'll see it as free, but it has other levels inside. So let's start. Right here, we're going to set up the standard or free. Then the next one will be the premium, and we're going to turn this on, VIP. I'm going to do 3 levels. Or some people do just this and that. They don't put VIP. But I'm going to have VIP so you see the example, okay? Especially if you're like a coach, you may want that VIP. Okay, free. For the free, so what does the person, you think of what you do. What do you want to offer a person who comes to your community free, not paying anything? So I'm going to add like, let's see, maybe 3 benefits. They're going to access access is double, right? Access the community posts, community members and posts. Community members posts, which is great, right? That's 1. Number 2, they're going to access, they're going to be able to post. They post and they chat with other members. Post and chat with other members. But you'll see that sometimes we may have to limit them. They come and all they do is chat. We may limit them. You see in my other trainings. Okay, number 3, they join Skool Lives. You know, you come live on Skool, they are free to join because they are right there in the community, okay? So the free people can get that. They're called free or standard. How about the next one? The next one is premium. I'm gonna put a price of $29 per month. No. Let's do it. You know, you can choose monthly, or can choose monthly and annual, or you can choose annual. There are so many communities that say maybe $1,000 every year, and that's it, one time. Especially if they are coaching people. So, but for us, let's do this one. Monthly and annual. So it's either, these are just examples, $29 a month. And for me, what I do, when someone pays me for a whole year, I give them 50% off to encourage them to switch to 1 year. Because if you are running a business, cash flow is very, very important. If someone is willing to give you their money for a whole year, better give them a good discount. That's what I do. So 29 times 12 would be like 1,001, no, 348, $348. So a census of 348, and half of that would be like 174. I say let's give them like 175, like that. So they're getting a 50% discount. So when they're joining, they see this, they say, okay, I'll take the discount. Okay, that's good. So that's the price for this one. Now I have to add the benefits. What do they get? Number one, they get everything in the free, the first one, the free plus in free, I mean, say just in free plus, you'll see what it looks like after I'm done. Plus, number two, they get weekly Zoom. Now, the difference between, at least for me, between a Zoom and a Skool Live, a Zoom is more enjoyable. It's more private. They can be on the screen. They can talk to each other like that. But when you do a Skool Live, it's not as nice. I don't know. I'm sorry. That's my feeling. So when I give you a free Zoom, that's like a good thing. So weekly Zooms, question and answer. Because remember now you are paying some money. So I say question and answer. Weekly Zooms, question and answer. And we added that. So what else? What else do they get? They get school tips. I have them, if they have a community or anything about school. If that was me, I'll give them school tips. What else could they get? They get TikTok tips. Now you think about what you do, and then you offer like that. What could you offer them? Okay, TikTok tips. Let's see, what else could we get these people? No, that's enough for this one. So we are going now to VIP. What about VIP? VIP you could still do monthly and annual. So you could say $99 every month. And 99 for 12 months becomes for 1,188. So I could round it up to, remember, I like to give discounts, to be like $594 if I give them half price, but I'll do $595 just to make it easy. So $595. See, 50% off. That's me being generous. You could decide to give them 30% off, or some people give only 20%. I say, whoa, that's too little. Okay, so change it. So that's the price for VIP. So what do they get? They get everything in the premium. Yes, premium plus. I want to show you what it looks like, how people see it. Now we are just setting it up inside the setting. They also get one-on-one private support. Okay, then what else do they get? They get TikTok, if that was me, but you could be providing something else. TikTok YouTube and school support. Okay. Okay, what else do they get? They get my WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number. My Sherifa's, maybe I could say Sherifa's WhatsApp number. WhatsApp, okay, maybe Sherifa's WhatsApp 24-hour support. Because for me, or for people who have my WhatsApp, I say you can text me or leave a voice note anytime. If I'm available, I'll respond to it. So I'll call it 24-hour support. Okay, and that's that. Now, after I save it, you see that you can have a preview of what it looks like. I just set it up. See? It looks like that. Is that neat? Yes. So when people come to view your community, this is what they see. And sometimes when they're on 0 right now on the standard, when they are trying to click, for example, if they want to come and join your Zoom, it will be asking them to upgrade to premium. If they're trying to get one-on-one private support, it will ask them to upgrade to VIP. It's all inside. So it's so beautiful. The easiest thing you could do. So yeah, that's how you set it up. And this was just an example. I don't want my community to stay like this. I'm about to change it. It was just for demonstration. And when people come, let's see, I think it just changed. If I go back to look at it, it just changed, although I don't want to keep it like that. So when you come, remember when it started, it was $1 right here. Now it's saying free because of the setting they just put there. But that's not how I'm going to leave it. I'll change it after I close this video. And when people come, for example, if I change this to customer, I'm going to view it as a customer, as a member, someone who's coming from outside, okay? They will see this, join group. That's what they see. And when it's a free community, normally when you click on join group, it says administrator membership pending. If it's a free community, you'll get approval. But actually, you could set it up in the settings for people to be automatically approved, which is not a good idea because you're gonna kind of have all kinds of people in your community. So when it's free, we advise you to put a few questions, maybe ask for their email, something to put like a gate on it. Okay, that's it. So now you know how to create a freemium is what they call it. Because it starts off free, but then it has this premium and VIP inside. Or you could just set it up to be just free and premium. You don't always have to add the VIP, depending on your situation. If you need support for me to help you out to set this up for you or to guide you, please text me. Where I found this, if it's on YouTube, check the pinned comment. You'll find that my community, you can come to this community, the free community, and then you can DM me. You have to join it first. Then you send me a message, you say I need your support. Or if you watched it in my community inside, just find me. Easy to find. Thank you so much for watching it. Please come, let's support each other. Let's create money. I want to come close to me. I want to show you how all these things that I'm learning, I want to share with you. Okay, thank you.